Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy nachos. Let's get started by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 1 bag of your favorite tortilla chips, about 1 pound of ground beef or turkey, and your preferred toppings. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, brown your ground meat in a skillet over medium heat, breaking it up as it cooks. Once cooked, drain off any excess fat to ensure your nachos aren't greasy. This simple prep sets the stage for deliciousness. Now, let's build those delicious layers. Grab a large baking sheet and spread out about half of your tortilla chips in a single, even layer. This ensures every chip gets some love. Next, take half of your seasoned ground meat and sprinkle it generously over the chips. Follow that with about 1 cup of shredded cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack. Repeat this entire layering process one more time to create a substantial and satisfying stack of nachos. This double-layer approach guarantees maximum flavor in every bite. With your nachos layered, it's time for the oven. Place your baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Keep a close eye on them. You want the cheese to be perfectly melted and bubbly, and the chips slightly crispy, but not burnt. Once they reach golden perfection, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. Now for the fun part. Customize your nachos with your favorite fresh toppings. Think about adding 1/2 cup of diced tomatoes, a 1/4 cup of sliced jalapenos, or a dollop of sour cream. Your amazing, easy nachos are ready. Before diving in, let them cool for just a couple of minutes. This helps the cheese set slightly and prevents any burnt tongues. The best way to serve these is right from the baking sheet, allowing everyone to grab their own perfect portion. For an extra touch, offer some additional toppings on the side, like a bowl of fresh salsa, a scoop of creamy guacamole, or extra sour cream. Now, gather your friends and family and enjoy your incredibly delicious homemade nachos. They're perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.